Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about all the HDMI output settings of Canon 5D Mark IV. So before I go in technicalities, let me just show you the settings and then I will show you what you should do while I'm doing the settings. So let's just jump into it. So my camera is on for now, and when I will plug the HDMI in, what will happen you will see. So I plugged the HDMI and the screen just goes away because it takes the HDMI output and it is telling the camera that you need to display only on the HDMI, and that is what we don't want many times. So to avoid that, to do all the settings, what you do is you remove this first of all, and in here make sure first of all you are in the video mode, and then I will go to menu. I will go to number 5 in camera tab, and here you can see you have HDMI display. So if I will click on this, it's telling me if you plug the HDMI, it will just show on the monitor like the HDMI output, or it will show the monitor without the info, or you can show on your camera and on your monitor. So for me, I want it on the camera and on the monitor. So what I will do is I will just go again, set, and then I will say here. So it will not display the menus on the screen like the HDMI output, but it will show the menu on the camera, which is what we want. So I will say okay. Now if I will plug in my HDMI, you can see my HDMI is connected now, and I can see the screen as well. So I can control my camera menus and see my HDMI output on my screen as well. So this is where you can set up your HDMI output preferences. And after that, if you want to set the frame rate of your HDMI output, what you can do is you can go to the wrench icon, and in here on number 4 you have the frame rate of your HDMI. So I will say 50p or 50i or auto, so I will keep it on 50p. So this is how simple it is to do the HDMI output settings on Canon 5D Mark IV. So this is how easy it is to set up external monitor with Canon 5D Mark IV. I hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any questions, put those in the comments and I'll make sure that I reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.